Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Kanyansh Pro webcam. On the front of the package, we can see an illustration of the product. On top, we can see the term web camera, and below it, we can see that it is a full HD 1080p camera. Right on the bottom, we can see that it is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP, and Mac OS 10 as well. To the left, we have a blue Lex sticker, and there is also some customer care details in the form of a number. On the right hand side of the package, we have web camera full HD branding, and same on the left hand side as well. The bottom is the same as well. On top of the package is where some of the key features are, so let's go through them one by one. The camera has a wide angle lens. It has a built-in microphone. It can shoot at 1080p HD. It has auto white balance. It supports video chat and conferences. On the back of the box are some of the specs. We have already gone through its resolution, and here we see that it is compatible with the latest version of Skype as well. Not only can you do full HD video calling, but you can also do full HD video recording. It has a built-in noise isolating microphone, and it has automatic low light correction. It has a high-speed USB 2.0 connection that allows the plug and play functionality. Lastly, it has a tripod-ready universal clip that fits laptops and LCD monitors as well. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the box, so let's get into it now. In the box, we find a user manual, and this should help you get started with using the product and understanding its various functions. And we get a thank you note from the brand. We have a mostly black and orange theme going for it with this camera. We can see the lens module right in the middle. There is also a slot here for the microphone. There are two orange highlights on the top and bottom, and the rest of it is black. Here in the center, it's a glossy black, and over here we have a curved pattern on each side. Underneath the camera, there is a hinge that mounts it onto the clip, and it has a rotating function, so it can be adjusted once it is mounted up. The mounting mechanism itself, or the mounting clip, has soft touch surfaces on the inside, so anything that you mount it on won't be scratched up by the mounting of this web camera. The hinge is also quite tight, so once it is mounted up, it won't be going anywhere. When it comes to the cable, we get a thick black round cable, and it is approximately 55 inches long. On the end of the cable, you get a USB Type-A interface and a 3.5 mm aux jack as well. This aux jack is the TRS kind. Since the camera comes with a plug and play functionality, we will be connecting it to a laptop to see what the installation process is like. First up, let us show you how the mounting mechanism works. What you need to do is open up the clip, and here we see an L shape. What we need to do is hook the L shape onto any surface like a monitor, or in this case, the lid of a laptop, and then shut the clip. Shutting the clip will tighten the grip. Next, we need to adjust the hinge in a way that the webcam is pointing in the correct direction. Next up, we will be connecting the USB and the 3.5 mm jack to get started with the installation process. Since it has a plug and play functionality, what it means is that the PC will detect the drivers on the camera automatically and install them as well. The PC will also notify you when the installation is complete. So this was the unboxing of the Kanyansh Pro webcam. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.